We guide you through how to get archived stories on Instagram so you can view or repost them anytime. First thing you need to do is open Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Archive. By default, it may show Post Archives, so tap the drop down at the top and switch to Stories Archive. You'll now see all your previously archived stories organized by date. Tap the story you want to recover, then select Share to repost it to your story, or tap More to highlight it and add it to your profile permanently. This feature keeps your past stories saved privately, making it easy to bring them back whenever you want without losing any content.